those clients that come to you and you're like, I just don't notice any benefit. And you're gonna let them know that everybody gets a benefit from this water. There's two reasons that people don't get a benefit. It's because they're not drinking enough water and they're not drinking it fresh enough. So how much is enough? They want to be consuming at least a half an ounce per pound of body weight per day minimum. Now, if your client you're working with has a lot of health issues going on, you can even bring that up to 1 ounce per pound of body weight per day. If they go over that amount, that's a lot of water, so you got to make sure they're adding minerals back in their body. I like to recommend the Himalayan salt because there's 84 different minerals in there that your body actually requires in order to maintain proper balance. So if they're doing over that, let them know, hey, we recommend the salt, and you might even want to check with your doctor. But other than that, a half an ounce to 1 ounce per pound of body weight is a safe amount. So that's how much they want to drink. They also want to make sure to drink it in between the meals, not with the meals. So wait half an hour before, half an hour after. Now the next thing is a big thing. That is that hydrogen is a gas. If there's one downfall to hydrogen, is that it's not very smart. It doesn't know it's supposed to go in the body. It thinks, oh, look at the air, there's light, there's the time here that's going by, and there's the temperature change. And then what's gonna happen is little antioxidants are gonna get neutralized very rapidly. So the water is sensitive to air, light, time, temperature, and motion. So when we pour it, if we're giving a customer a glass, they're getting the highest powerful water right there. Now it has a half shelf life. So if we're pouring it, it's at like a 2.0 parts per billion. The next day, if they're keeping it in a good container that's dark, they're not moving it around, it'll go down half. So the next day it's 1.0, so it lost half. The next day it's 0.5, then 0.25. Pretty soon, 3 days later, there's not a lot of benefits. So make sure they're drinking it fresh and let them know when they're taking it home and it's shaking around and it's not in a dark container, then they're also losing a lot of the benefit. So what I'll tell the clients is, go home with this water. We'll check it for you right now and show you the hydrogen concentration. Bring it back a little bit that's left in your bottle and we'll check it. And when you show them with their own eyes that they just lost all of the benefits of the hydrogen by taking it home, that is another reason for them to want to take ownership of the machine. Okay, so make sure to do that test in front of them, either with the ORP meter or the hydrogen drop, so they can see, wow, by not getting it fresh, I'm missing out on a lot of benefits. Also, when they're there in front of you, give them a glass of fresh water so they can at least have one glass in their body that's getting fresh, okay? So after that, if they don't experience a benefit, then they're just not in tune with their body. They don't realize they have more energy through their day, or you're gonna have those clients that no matter what, they don't wanna purchase it, they don't wanna spend the money, so they make a ton of excuses. But yet they're still coming in for the water. Like, well, if it doesn't work for you, why are you still coming? It's because they don't want to spend the money. So you kind of have to know your client a little bit and what their issues are and how you can help them best, okay? We'll see you in the next video.